Here you will find the story jumper I made of a book. The book is called How to Be Safe in Case of a Fire Emergency. I wrote it, and I found all the images by Google Images. I dedicate this book to my EDU C253 course that I am taking at SUNY Oneonta with Dr. Levine. I want to make sure that children know what to do in the event of a fire emergency. They should always know how to stay safe in their home or in any building.
Batteries regularly to make.
Sorry, we'll go back.
You should check your smoke detectors and change the batteries regularly to make sure that they work.
If you look, you can see I include pictures of batteries. And I also included a picture of a smoke detector putting his finger up saying, "Pay attention to me."
You should make a plan with a meeting spot outside of your house in case of a fire.
And if you look, you'll be able to see that I made a map with different rooms in it and how to get out through the windows, through the doors, through fire exits.
If your clothes catch on fire, you should stop, drop, and roll to make sure you put the fire out.
If you look, I post a picture of a child who's got fire on his shirt. He realizes it, he stops, he drops to the ground, and he rolls. And if you look, you see the smoke and the fire is out.
You should never play with dangerous hot things, especially in the kitchen or electrical outlets, without any adult supervision.
If you look, I included a hot coffee pot, an oven, a stovetop, and an outlet. You should never touch those, just to be safe and not to get hurt.
You should always trust firefighters and never hide from them. They are there to help you in an emergency.
If you see, I included a cute picture of a teddy bear firefighter with his little fire truck there to help you in case you have an emergency.
Do you know what number to call in case of an emergency? 911.
That is what you call. If you have a fire emergency, an electrical emergency, any type of emergency, you should call 911 just to be safe.
Be safe and be prepared in case of a fire emergency. The end. Thank you.
And that is the end of my story jumper. Thank you so much for listening.